Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Din and I'm going to show you how to prepare your ingredients, mix the spices and then cook the dish. Very simple method I'm going to use, so please follow the instructions carefully. So let's cook. Hi everyone, I'm Chef Din and welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, I'm cooking the base gravy, which is the most important item you can cook for your BRI curries. This method of cooking is completely different from what you used to. I've been using this method for over 40 years and my mother before me as well, when we used to be in the restaurant trade. I'm no longer in the restaurant trade, that's why I'm able to share you with all my secrets. So we need to cook all the pre-cooked items as well. If you haven't seen any of my videos, you must watch my series and watch the first 7 episodes, which will show you how to cook all the pre-cooked items. This is most important, because if you haven't got all the ingredients ready like this, we can't cook the curries. Curries will cook very quickly. So once you've got all your ingredients ready, I'm going to show you how to cook like bendi bhaji here, which is delicious. Bombay potato. We have also mushroom bhaji, sagalu. This is only but a few of the curries I'm going to show you. My series will cover the whole of a restaurant menu. So let's not waste any more time and let's get cooking. Right, this is a Nowab. It's one of my signature dishes. Okay. So first we're going to put a little bit of oil.
Touch of oil.
Same again, garlic.
Garlic.
A little bit of pepper. A little bit of bolty onions.
Oh, very nice.
As you can see, it's not too much.
Yeah.
And we're going to a little bit of oil, a little bit of garlic I put in here. Green pepper, a little bit of bolty onion. And then we're going to put our special tomato sauce we make.
Wonderful.
Then we're going to put our chicken Nowab, as they say. The chicken. A little bit of methi. And this one has a fresh yogurt in it as well. So we put some fresh yogurt. And base gravy. We need to put a bit of cream in this. Make it a little bit rich. A little bit of cream. Not too much, we don't want it sickly flavour. There goes the cream to make it a royal colour. Then, as it's a Nowab, we will put in our crowns. And let that heat up. We'll put another piece of chicken in there.
Now, if anyone ever sees any crowns anywhere else at all, right, it was stolen from this man, the king of the crowns right here. This was invented by this gent here in front of us. So anyone, if you see the crowns around, tell them they're Din's crowns. He wants them back.
Right, let's taste. Yeah, nice and light. We want a little bit of spice to that. So make it a little bit of chili there. Oh. Right. Basically, you don't want to leave the eggs in there too long because they start to break up. So we'll take those out and put those on the side of the dish and let that cook.
How long have you been here, living here?
I've been here about 5 months. I left in March and travelled a little bit with my dog across France and across parts of Spain.
¿Ah, sí?
Otro pedo.
No, porque más se ponen en el dedo.
Right, this is nearly ready. Okay.